Out across the street here is a construction site, and this place is going soon, and the building behind it is going soon. Look at that. This I shot there last week, and I didn't shoot in here, but I shot in the building beside it. I don't think I can get into this one, though I'd very much like to. You know, I don't get a lot of hits on my when I do the old demolished places, but I really do like shooting in them. I'd love to get into there. I don't think I can. Oh, let's see if I can. I usually can get in here, but I can't get into the staircase. See? I don't want guys like that to see me. See, a lot of times I just walk in and look around and hope that I can find a place to go up. And this filter cloth here, it means that this building's going down soon. But I don't think I can get up this way. Hey, that's a cool Korean flag. 안녕하세요.
뭐 찍어요?
사진. 예. 알겠어요.
다른 것도 몰라. 뜯기는 게 진짜 있으면 뭐야 이거.
예.
필요가 없지. 집이 어디시는데?
알겠습니다.
내면 가요. 예? 예. 뭐라고? 지금 안 되는데?
네, 알겠습니다. 안녕히 계세요. He said no taking pictures. I didn't say I was taking a video, I said I was taking pictures. Anyhow, I'll have to come in here another day. I don't want them to recognize me because of the Caspian twice. It's kind of like I'm insulting them. They warned me one time and I just ignored them. Anyhow, you get the picture. I'll go in later on. Have a great day. Bye for now. 안녕하세요.